This time, we will learn how to make the divisors list in a one-dimensional flat table, in one-dimensional flat list. So I will call it result 3 is nothing more than table of length of divisors of I. Okay, that goes from 1, I goes from 1 through 1 million. Okay, I will suppress the output. So I got this 1 million here, and I'm going to present it not in fixed 1,000 by 1,000, but in a flexible way. So what I will do is I will manipulate the output here. Okay, how am I going to manipulate? I'm going to do the temp. I will temporarily arrange it into a matrix, which is table of, I will use this result 3 here. So I will do result 3. And then what I will pick is the I width times I plus J. Where I goes from 0 to width, and J goes from 1 to width. Of course, this has to be width minus 1. Okay, so that's how I'm generating two-dimensional table out of this one-dimensional table called result 3. And then I'm going to array plot temp. And I'm going to use the same color function and same color code and all that. Okay. Okay, once I'm done with the array plotting, I have to use the I have to control the width here. So my width will start at 50. Then I can make it range from 1 through 1,000. But let it go up by 1. Okay, I think I have it. Shall we take a look? So here we go. So we got this 50 by 50 matrix of it. So that you can see better, I will reduce the size. Okay, then what if I make it 100? And this is 100 by 100. Now, unlike before, you can now control how it goes up by 1. Look at that. Interesting. When it's 102, the prime numbers line up this way. And if I do it this way, there seems to be some numbers going across here. These are numbers with high number of divisors. If I do one more, it will line up. Look at that. Because when I do this, they're being offset by 1. See, it's going diagonally this way. When I do this, it's lining up. Next one will go diagonally this way. If you think about it, it is logical. This way, lined up. I don't see that pattern. I thought I was going to see. So much for being logical, but think about it. You may discover some pattern out of it. So as you can see here, depending on how you set this width here, you have different patterns merging. Now, what does it mean? I haven't thought through carefully, so I don't know what it means. But look at that. All the prime numbers seems to be lining up in a vertical way. Not anymore. Scattered. And after a while, this became diagonal and lined up. Very interesting. Depends on what you do. It does this display this kind of behavior. Okay, so I want you to think about it and then explore. So you're free to move this around. This is manipulate after all to any size you want. So, but the only inconvenience is that the size changes, so you have to kind of enlarge it to see what's in it. But you can still do it and move it one by one. And this is the code that did it.